Hi guys, it's Cassidy, and probably been wondering what's been going on. Been, playing games as you've seen, and my grandma ended up falling down and going to the hospital, and all the other types of stuff, and then work picked up, and had a really long week, 1 week this month, and from work, and I was just so worn out for the weekend. So I just said, you know what, whatever. And I just didn't feel like doing anything. But I mean, I really spammed out videos with Little Nightmares and Outlast 2. So, and I've started Edith Finch. But I wanted to get these unboxings done for March and April. I haven't gotten anything for May. So, and at the end of May this month, Memorial Day weekend, it's Animazement, the convention I go to every year, and I'm part of it. I used to just be an attendee, but now I kind of help run the dance or slash rave that happens at night. But anyway, let's get to these. And before I unbox, I don't know if I said in the last unboxing video, but I made a PayPal thing and a Patreon, so just check those out if you guys want to help support the channel, because, my time, I figure, is not, it's free, but it takes a lot of time and effort to make my videos, and, videos like this don't take any time, but, it takes time, and then it does cost money to send things in the mail and such, but, obviously, you're not forced to do it. You just need to be subscribed to the channel in order to be able to enter the giveaways. So, anyway, enough of that now, and let's open March's one-up box and last one-up box. I just want to say that. So I'll only be unboxing the LootAnime and the arcade, or the gamer block, excuse me now. So, I have that, and look, just from the little bit of I see that's blue sticking out, if it's Sonic, it's like I have a feeling I'm already be giving stuff away. Why'd you even bother covering it up? Like, it was already sticking out the fucking box, you assholes. This is why this is the last one box I'm getting. Oh, look! Cassidy was super right. It is Sonic. Oh my god, it's Sonic Boom Sonic. But I will say he is kind of a cute plushie. You are kind of cute. And he's really soft. But I don't need any more plushies, and I don't need a Sonic one. I'm just like, what is even in here? Okay. Well, here's a Sonic plushie. Isn't he cute? Anyway, I'm a little out of it. It's just because I'm just so worried because, like, I have so many things to do before my trip. So I'm thinking about this. I'm thinking about what I have to record later. I'm thinking about what stuff I need to go buy and all that. So just forgive me. Got the Sonic Boom thing. I don't know what this is. This is a Finn and Jake, like, weird. I don't even know. Like, okay, I'm giving both of these away. See, this is the problem I'm having with it. Okay, and then there's stickers for Ninja Turtles. So I guess I'll be giving that away, too. Okay. Let's see what the shirt is. Can it be decent? Okay. It's alright. Like, the artwork is pretty good. Like, you can tell it's like Flash. I don't know why he's in there. Or at least that's who it looks like. Yeah, and Rocket Raccoon, or the Galaxy, and Sonic. So, yay. And then what is this? Oh, are these one of those snap fucking bracelets? And I don't even know what these are on there. Oh, it's X-Men. Well, I guess I'm giving all of these away. I like doing that. But, there we have it. That's literally all that was in the 1-up box. I'm not kidding. Yep. Oh, I could have gotten Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, or Mr. Robotnik. And I got Sonic, so how nice. Even though I'm giving away pretty much everything but my shirt. But stuffing that in there, see, this is the reason I'm not getting the 1-up box anymore. It's just like I'm wasting $20 a month. What's the point if I don't use half the shit? You know? It's just stupid. But anyway, here is the LootAnime for March. I saw this and I was like, what? A what? A what? Oh God. Okay, let's see. This is... Thank God it's a different damn color. That's all I gotta say. Newport City, Nihama Prefecture, Motoko, Kusanagi, Major Field Command, Arise, Ghost in the Shell. Ah! So this is like new Ghost in the Shell. I used to watch Ghost in the Shell, so I don't mind it. Cute. Clockwork Planet. Yato is a brilliant amateur mechanic who spends his days tinkering with gears and inventions. And his world is a playground, a massive, intricate machine, but his quiet life is disrupted when a box containing the automaton in the shape of a girl. So basically he gets, and I'm not even going to read the rest of it because I know what it's going to say. He falls in love with this girl that is an android that he encounters. Could this be the omen of the breakdowns of his delicate Clockwork Planet? And is this his chance to become a hero? And then I don't know why there says praise for No Game, No Life, because this is not No Game, No Life. Oh, it's from the creator of No Game, No Life. Well, then no wonder. And look, doesn't the girl have pink hair and the other one kind of look like this? Anyway. Yeah, if anybody wants this, they can have that. Oh. I love my little Yume things. It's a little phone charm and keychain. I have so many of her, though. And this one I'm not that interested in. If anyone wants it, they can have it. Oh, are you serious? Yes. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm giving away these two things. Normally, like, I keep a lot of the ones that I like. But and some of them that I didn't like, to me, weren't that interesting, and I didn't really think anyone else would want it. But this is more interesting. But look how cute she is. It says phone charm, but you all know it has a keychain thing on it. Like, you can put it on your keys. Like, it's so silly. But I'm giving away these two things. And, okay, Psycho Pass. Oh my god, and it's a 2 gig flash drive. Oh, that is so nice, really. I really appreciate that. Gosh, like, I swear some of these companies, like, every time I open my LootAnime, it has something in it that I need. Even though I did already have one. I was about to say, God, can I open it? This is the flash drive. This is from Psycho Pass. I know that's a good anime, and I have not watched it. That's how it opens. That is crazy, and it's a 2 gig. Do I have an 8 gig somewhere in my purse? I think I do. I think it's like in the very front pocket. Scan this. Oh no, this is 32 gig. This is just a 2 gigabyte. But look how much bigger that one is. That's kind of funny. But anyway. Pew pew, pew pew pew. Like, that's how you know it won't get damaged, though. I will say that. Like, I mean, this, but if you get water on that, there's a good chance it won't get the water on it. If I get water on this, even if it's put in, I'm fucked. So, yay. Always nice to have an extra flash drive around, really. It always is, because you never know when you might need it. Now, this is another thing I'm happy about. I got a Maduro's Mask mouse pad and something, and I don't know what the fuck this anime is, but you know what? I don't care, because it is another mouse pad. Okay. Kinzanavier. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, but who cares? Guess what? It's a mouse pad, and it's another nice one, so guess what? I will use it. I think I spilled water on the other one. Or no, it was still in its little package, so I don't think the water got on it. So, yay. Oh, that's all that's in there? Okay, that's fine. So, I'm giving away the manga and the little phone charm. Is this another Yume? Oh, I bet she's Ghost in the Shell. Okay, they've started counting the charm as one thing. I was wondering when they were going to start doing that. Okay. Kisnavier. Kisniver. From Studio Trigger, the persons who bought you Kill a Kill. The Kizna. Okay, that's a lot of info, but it just shows, you know, what you get on the back. And this is definitely, if anybody wants the poster, I know it's already folded and that sucks, but anyway. Oh god, am I gonna have trouble freaking remembering how to fold it back? Okay, well that was March. for the LootAnime. God, they just barely fit everything in here. Like, I don't know why they do that, but people do what they want. Next is the Gamer Block, the mature one. Finally. What is even the point of this? Okay. This is Michael's. So, oh my god. You lie, dog. This is a you lie type thing right now. This is I know this is one of the cheaper ones, but this is so you can play. It's a headset. It's a virtual reality headset. And I'm a little bit in shock right now. Because I think there's like ones that are like $20. I think this might be the one that I saw on TV maybe. Not on TV, but on a talk show. Somebody was talking about things like that. But I think actually they're still pretty pricey. That's crazy. I can't believe I have one of these. This might change some things for the channel. Who knows? Because I didn't feel like getting a PlayStation VR was worth it. But this is pretty awesome. So, I'm really happy right now. Oh, God. Michael will love this shirt. Oh, it's not what I thought it was going to say. It just says dead. What the fuck? And the Doom writing, like, why? Everybody's gonna be like, it's this, Cassidy. If it's some stupid zombie game that's not Resident Evil, then I don't give a fuck. 100%. Okay, there is a Mass Effect Andromeda keychain. Oh, there's two. My brother will probably want to keep this. Because he loves Mass Effect. There's a Bioshock umbrella pin, if somebody wants it. The umbrella pin. And Lucius. Okay, normally I would get rid of these games, the games that come in there, but I actually have seen this game. Now, Lovers of Space-Time I've seen before, but it wasn't my type of game. Lucius is actually like one of them good bad games to play, so this might be like going up on the channel, so I'm actually really happy about that. So yeah, that's so awesome. And I have a Samsung Galaxy S, so dead t-shirt. You have no resets, no extra life. Show the monsters from hell. Okay, so it's basically like, I guess it's the dead screen for Doom, like when you die. Okay, the only thing I'm giving away out of this is the umbrella pin, and it's not a flimsy pin, plastic pin. It's like hard metal, by the way. So, there goes the month of March for everything. I'm just going to sit some of this stuff on the floor right here. And just gonna go ahead and move on to April. See, my show's about to come on in like 1 minute. Hold on, let me just put the channel on there. God damn it. Okay. There, it'll be on there when I'm, I can, you know, rewind because of my DVR. Going on to April, LootAnime. So I just finished March for all the boxes, and the last one is, last time you're gonna see the, 1-up box, which I don't mind. Okay, LootAnime is big this time. What will it be? Black Lagoon! Just a little lunchbox. Black Lagoon, if you have not seen this anime, you need to see it. Oh. Thinking of her name. Is it Remy? I got a world collectible figure. WCF, these must be new things. Or I've seen them at the store, and it's Levi! Oh! I love Levi. Oh, look at the sides. For season 2, I bet. Like, see, everyone's, like, all excited about season 2. It's not that I'm not excited. It's just that I'm so far in the manga. I stopped at that point because it was taking him forever to come out with chapters. And I'm not that person. I don't have time to be waiting on you like that. So I just said, screw it. I'm not keeping up with you anymore. So I'm caught up to a certain point. So until they're where something surprises me, which it actually seems like they were, since it's been a couple episodes into the new season. At least, I'm probably sure it's been out in Japan for a while, but the dub has just, or no, it seems like the dub and that are coming out at the same time. I don't know. But anyway, I love Attack on Titan. I'm caught up to a pretty good point with it. I can actually, I'm starting to remember certain stuff, and it's just like, it seems like maybe the third or fourth episode where they go back and visit the village is probably going to be a very sad one, because I already know what's going on. And if anybody has a gut feeling when they're watching Attack on Titan season 2, if you have a gut feeling about something that's telling you, oh my god, is it that? Are they turning into that? Then and certain people will know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to give too much away. But when you follow your instincts when you watch that, or your gut feeling when you watch that show, because a lot of the times you will be right. Anyway, love Attack on Titan. Super happy I got this. And then, oh! It's an Attack on Titan, like, satchel thing. What? Oh my god! I love getting Attack on Titan stuff. It makes me happy. It's supposed to look like the sword. Oh, is this to draw with? Oh my god. It's a notepad. But the only thing that bothers me, it's a grid, and I'm sure it's because they're scouts, and it's supposed to be about that. I love this. This is adorable. Like, even just to, like, put it on your costume would be amazing. And this is a pencil, by the way. That is so cute. I love that. Oh, get this shit out of my face. Somebody please take this. I hate these ones about the book clubs. Just take it from me. Oh, this one's awesome. I'm keeping this one. Sorry, guys. Yume is all bloodied up in this one. Cute and little and bloodied up. Okay, that's all that's in there. Oh, but guess what? If I'm keeping that, guess what somebody gets to get? Unless I really like it, I might trade off. Humanity. Hold on. Am I missing? Hold on. Ah, okay. There is a Black Lagoon coaster set in here. And this is also a lunchbox, I'm assuming. Or something I can just keep. Let's be real, it's something you keep drugs in. Because why else would they be giving it to you? It says... Oh, apparently it's just what the coasters came in. That it's not even part of anything. It's something you can put drugs in. How nice quality is it, though? Wow, I'm just trying to see. Okay, it's metal with cork underneath. That's a change. Remy. Can't remember the black guy's name. And then he's awesome. He's American. He's American. She's something else. And he's Japanese. And they're mercenaries. And they kidnap him. And then he ends up becoming a psycho. God, what is his fucking name? It's gonna bother me. But let me finish looking at this. Okay. But yes, that guy. Her. The muscly black guy. And they always have to worry about each other turning on each other. Black Lagoon. Oh, Revy. I was close. Okay. Revy kidnaps Salaryman Rock. That's what they named him. That's right. Represent the, yeah, I was about to say, isn't it known as the Lagoon Company? Okay, it's Rock, Revy. The other two ones will come. But that's a good fucking show. You should watch it. But, oh yeah, how cool is this? I have some other ones that are like that, so I don't need this one. If somebody wants this poster, they can have it. If anybody wants the manga, they can have it. I'm definitely keeping coasters because we need them around here. Obviously, I'm keeping Levi. Oh, I didn't take him out of his thing. Now I have, like, 2 Levi figures. Because I have, the Tamashi buddy. Levi. Oh, frickin' come out of there. They... Really? Get the freak out of there, man. Levi! You look amazing! I just gotta put you on your stand. Do, do, do. That pisses me off. They have every piece that you need blocked off in a different section. Like, it's so unnecessary. Terrorists wouldn't even deal with that bullshit. Anyway. There. And then it goes in one of the holes. Oh. Haha. There we go. I thought I saw an extra thing on the Levi. Look at Levi going, whoosh, whoosh. Look how handsome I am. And supposedly I'm like 30, but I don't look like it. And I'm short. Always a short guy is hot, or hot. It's always that way. Anyway. So that's it for April. For the LootAnime. So I'm giving away the manga. I guess we'll find something to keep the black in the black lagoon box, I'm sure. Even though it's so obvious that they put those things in for, like, people who have drugs. And they're like, but Cassidy and Michael, don't y'all smoke weed? Like, who cares? Who cares? Ugh, okay. I just went right on to open it. Okay. This is Cute But Deadly Series 2 figures. This is Blizzard. Anybody, oh, it's Overwatch and probably, this must be all Overwatch stuff, I have a feeling. So if anybody wants this, please, you're welcome to it. I'm not even going to open it. You can take that. Me and Michael don't like that stuff. Oh, no! Thank God it fell right on top of another box, so it's all good. Okay. Ooh. How was this shirt? I like the colors. The King of Iron Fist Tournament. Is this Street Fighter? It's not my fault, I don't play any of those games. Anyway. No, this can't be Street Fighter. This must be Tekken. Because of the stupid hair. That's how I recognized it. I didn't see Ryu. So I guess that should. Oh, yay! I get a Fallout, yay! It's an auto window decal. Like, I've been waiting to get something to, like, put on my car. Like, yeah, I'm actually going to keep this. What is this? Camp Sunshine. Okay, it seems to be a 2D game. But it's an horror RPG. This actually looks like something we would play for, like, Camp Sunshine is a 16-bit blood-soaked horror RPG that pits you as Jez, who is dropped off at summer camp. He awakes in the middle of the night to discover blood everywhere, a rampaging killer on the loose, dressed in a mascot costume, and himself involved in a deadly game of cat and mouse. So I guess it's basically you finding clues, like, okay, that's cool. It's kind of, I don't know if this has been played on any, like, channels recently, like Markiplier or whatever, but I actually think I will keep this game, too. Like, a couple of the indie games they had been putting in there have been, like, shitty little games that me and my brother never heard of. They had Lucius last month, as we saw, and then now they got this, which actually I'll probably enjoy more than Lucius, because that's kind of a bad game. This looks like a fun point-and-click. I love point-and-click adventure games. Sorry. I'm blabbing. Why? Halo New Blood. If anybody gives a fuck, do you want this? Because I don't. Irks me. What else is in here? What else is in here? Oh, Q&A with the producers of I'll have to read this later, but that's crazy, like, but anyway. And what is in here? What was this? Woo! This is like badass art of Super Metroid. I actually might have to, like, frame that and put that in, like, some very specific framing, because it's actually really gorgeous and I don't want to bend it. So it's on, like, some poster board type stuff, and I don't want nothing to happen to it. So I'm giving away out of this. God, am I giving away anything? I'm giving away the Halo book and the Blizzard blind box out of that. So that was it for the month of April, and that was pretty awesome. I'd say that was really good. Except for pretty much me giving away my whole 1-up box. Everything else seemed to be pretty awesome. So I'm actually really happy about that. I'll probably be recording some Edith Finch after I'm done with this. And then I don't know what games I'll have. I'm just probably going to start switching back to some PS2 games, because there's no other games to play now. And remember, I have my convention around Memorial Day weekend. It's always Memorial Day weekend. And, oh yeah, there's supposed to be a voice actor for Frieza. The American and Japanese are supposed to be there. That's the second time I think they've met each other. And I'm trying, there's a lot of Japanese people that come to the convention I go to. It's Japanese voice actors, a lot of them. And, there's a whole, animators that come there as well. And they work on a bunch of stuff, like Kill la Kill and, Space Dandy and, Mobile Suit Gundam and other things like that. But, and then after Memorial Day weekend is June, which is going to soon be E3, and then I'm going to be recording that, so there'll be some stuff even if there won't be as much games, so, and I'm definitely going to try and finish Final Fantasy and Siren, which has been going on for 3 years. Siren is taking a while because I have to go through, like, hours of us just, like, binging. It, like, we played it for 5 hours straight one time and didn't even stop recording. So, that's what I have to go through, like 5 and 4 and 2 hours of footage to decide what to cut, what not to cut, and then I have to divide up those big sit downs into separate parts so it seems like it makes sense. But anyway, you know how it goes. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys, and bye!